Greetings and salutations, Series 7 test-taking weekend warriors. This is the Series 7 guru coming to you from my studio here in fabulous Las Vegas with another Sunday Fun Day explication request. The best free supplement for your paid study materials is my YouTube channel. But if you don't already have a Kaplan Q Bank, it's a great paid supplement. With my Guru 10 discount code, you can bring that in at about $60. For that commercial, Kaplan allows me to give you a free look at Kaplan content. We'll help you with any question, but if it's a Kaplan question like this test taker had, you can just send me the QID and I can pull it up. So just a little easier to help you if you're using a Kaplan Q Bank, but we'll help you whether you're using Past Perfect, STC, Notman, doesn't matter. Anyways, this is QID 1264686. This is testable on both the Series 6 and Series 7. I'll put it in the playlist for both, and I'll also put a link to my variable annuity lecture. You can go to the video description, look at the timestamp, and find a deeper explanation than this explication. Your client owns a variable annuity contract with an assumed interest rate of 4%. Stop. All we care about is what is the return as compared to the assumed interest rate. So it's a pretty simple question. Should be an aim and shoot point and click kind of a question. All we're going to do is compare the return in the question to the assumed interest rate. So we're simply going to do the reveal here. And if that number is less than 4, April's check decreases. If we do the reveal and it's 4%, we got the error, the check remains the same. If we do the reveal and it's more than 4, the check increases, the April check. It doesn't matter by how much, by the way. They're trying to cloud your mind. Now, this test taker thought they need 2 numbers. They don't. Well, you need the number in relationship to 4. I could just say more than 4. But it doesn't matter where I do the reveal and this is, 2% still positive performance. Check still goes down because it's less than the error. It doesn't matter if there's a negative return. It doesn't matter if it's 4.1. If 4.1 is better than 4, check goes up. It doesn't matter if it's 8 or 16. Doesn't matter. That's all that we're looking at is what the return was in comparison to the assumed interest rate. When you annuitize, we turn your accumulation units into annuity units, and then you get a monthly check, which is kind of a nifty thing, by the way, right? You can't turn a mutual fund into a never-ending income stream. At some point, it would exhaust. Okay, so time for the reveal. Let's do the reveal. Boom, 8%. So it doesn't matter that that's 8. 8 is greater than 4. So that means the check is going to go up. So let's just see what choices are available to us. And the choices that are available to us, there's our right answer. It will be higher, right? Doesn't matter that that's 8. Doesn't matter that that's more than 4. It will be lower. Well, if we did the reveal and it was 3 or 2 or something less than 4, B would have been correct. If we did the reveal and it was 4, then the answer would have been stay the same. Don't ever, as a test taker, take any offer of an answer that says it cannot be determined. As a test taker, that is really poor. You can figure it out. You can't tell customers that it can't be figured out. So you need to, fire up the brain housing group and come up with an answer. So the answer here is A, it will be higher. So hope that was helpful. Don't miss that question. It's an aim and shoot point and click question. If you miss it, angels weep for you. Okay, well, remember, inch by inch, your exam, whether it's Series 6 or Series 7 is a cinch, yard by yard, your exam is hard. I've got a couple more explication requests, so you'll be seeing a couple more Sunday Fun Day explications before the day is over. See you next time. Bye-bye.